All right, quick explanation of word sort to paragraph. With word sort to paragraph, this activity is going to use wordsift.org, which is a website that will help teachers manage the demands of vocabulary and academic language in their text materials. So it allows you to take text and paste it in and create a word cloud and then sort or sift through those words. In this case, I took an article on science about genetics, and I'm going to copy that and then paste it right into here. What's kind of neat and needs to be noted is that you can copy videos, everything, just the whole page, paste it in here, and it will just sift through the text. So, click sift, and it's going to create a word cloud for me. And I can change the style. I can sort the words from common to rare in this article, or rare to common in this article. Rarest being the biggest in this case, or in this case, the most common or the biggest. Or I can mark words. So I can do Marzano and Pickering science, since this is a science article, and it'll give me in blue these Marzano and Pickering science terms. Now, this will help me create some activities. So I'm going to demonstrate one quick activity I created. This is called a word sort to paragraph. So in this, I took terms from that article strategically. So I used some that were really rare that students may not have heard. I used some other common ones that I thought these would be easy that people might be able to know. I chose affected because sometimes students get confused between affect and effect. And then I pasted the term and the definition. And you'll notice that the terms are listed 1 through 8 in this case. And the definitions have a different number next to them. So that's because you'll cut these out and make little cards that students can match up the term with the definition. So they have kind of a low floor part here where they can just talk, find the definition. They can look that up any way you want them to, but they'll write the term. So they'll work on spelling and phonetically saying that word, and then they'll match it up with the definition number. After that, a little way to summarize and really own the word that they've looked up and matched is to put them in groups of 3 to 5, and then have each student write one sentence with their word. After they have all those sentences, you ask them to connect them to make a paragraph. So they're going to be looking at a lot of different layers. They're going to be looking at the meaning of a new word, maybe it's new, how to pronounce that word, how to spell that word, the morphology of that word, how that word can be used in a sentence, and then how their sentences can connect together to make a paragraph that summarizes the idea that they learned from reading the article. Or you can do this as a prior thing to reading the article so they have an idea of what some of the words are when they get into it. I chose a higher level article so I could demonstrate it with teachers, but you could choose any level you wanted. So with that, the students will get together and they'll all write down the paragraph that they come up with, and you can do lots of different things with that. This is one way to summarize with that using WordSift.